In today's lesson on writing and grammar, we will discuss commas and how they are used with introductory words and phrases and names. A comma is a punctuation mark. A comma indicates a pause, but not the end of a sentence. It can also separate a section of a sentence from other sections of a sentence. Understanding how to use commas properly can help a writer express their ideas more clearly. There are many instances where commas are needed in sentences. Commas are placed after introductory words and phrases. They are also used in certain instances with names. One of the most common places to use a comma is after an introductory word or phrase. Introductory words and phrases are not complete sentences. An introductory word or phrase sets up a sentence and the ideas within the sentence. Sentences with introductory words often come in response to questions. They're also used when transitioning from one idea to another or when building on an idea. Introductory words and phrases often explain when something will happen or when something can happen. They also lay out conditions for certain events to occur. Let's look at some examples of sentences with introductory words. Yes, that is my bike chained to the fence. No, we cannot reschedule the play for another weekend. Hey, do you know where I can buy a copy of that book? Meanwhile, we were struggling to climb over the mountain. Furthermore, you will all need to bring your projects into class. Now let's look at a few sentences with introductory phrases. If you want to win, you need to practice more. While they were waiting for the bus, they finished reviewing their algebra homework. After you finish dinner, you can go to the movies. Before we return home, I need to buy some souvenirs. There are some situations in which commas are used with names. This includes the names of people and the names of places. A comma is used to set off a person's name if that person is being addressed directly. Michaela, can you help me? William, get in the house right now. Dante, you are next to give a presentation. Names can be set off with commas if they are used with a description or title. For example, the janitor, Luis, works Monday through Friday. Our next-door neighbor, Miss Barry, works in her garden every morning. When the name of a city is followed by a state, the name of the state is surrounded by commas. This also happens to the names of countries when they follow states or cities. For example, the music festival takes place in Portland, Maine. Graceland is located in Memphis, Tennessee. Our class trip is to Ontario, Canada. My friends are traveling to London, England this summer. So, in summary, a comma is a punctuation mark. Commas are used to separate words and ideas in sentences. They are also used to separate introductory words and phrases from the rest of a sentence. Introductory words and phrases come at the beginning of a sentence. Sentences with introductory words often come in response to questions. Introductory phrases often explain when something will happen or lay out conditions for certain events to occur. Commas are also used with names sometimes. Commas can be used to separate names from descriptions or titles. They are also used to separate the names of states from the names of cities. For more information on this topic, contact your teacher.